spot your eyes. Pull, left arm. Now left knee, right arm. Whoosh. You must turn the plie. Now turn to your back toe. It's at the wrong time. In the beginning, it's here. It goes there. You know what happens next? You spot, and that brings your arms in. Your eyes, toes and eyes, okay? So some of you, what's happening is you didn't do that. You have to turn to your back toe. You have to turn the plie to the back, so we're going from a fourth to a second. And when the hand reaches here, that's it. That's when the toes push. Yeah, that's it. And you just spot. If you spot, you turn your head. All right? Once more. Once more. On the left. Up. Left knee, right arm. Up, 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 up. Ears back. Right knee, left arm. Bing. You're going to turn to your back toe. Hips, hips. Okay. Okay.